This video is gonna get a lot of hate comments, but let's see if there's still people who are realizing what I have realized. So I have followed this specific YouTube channel for a year for my NEET 2025 preparation. I have bought their Maha packs and this pack and that pack, and I have also bought their tests. um it has had its flaws, but that's not what I'm currently here to talk about. The issue that I'm here to talk about is what they have been posting after 4th May. नीट को हुए अभी 2 हफ्ते भी नहीं हुए हैं, and they have posted strategy videos, and they have posted videos about who should take a drop, who should not take a drop, and what the cutoff's gonna be. So firstly I would like to make this thing clear कि जो पेपर आया था वो ऑफ कोर्स एज वी ऑल नो नीट लेवल नहीं था. जो पेपर आया था that was not a 3-hour paper, that is not a paper that can be solved even by a NEET teacher in 3 hours. And there are many questions जिनका आंसर अभी basically the questions were confusing. There are 15 questions in bio जिनके आंसर के बारे में we are not sure yet, and this is not being quoted by me, but there are teachers from coaching classes who have said this. फिजिक्स का सेक्शन देखें तो IIT के पेपर में 15 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जो बच्चों को 1 घंटे में सॉल्व करना होता है. We were given 45 questions to solve in 1 hour, and even if there were some easy questions in that paper, they were deliberately made lengthy and twisted, and कि हम ये comprehend कर ही नहीं सकते 1 minute में. We are expected to solve that each question in a minute, right? तो ये जो channel है, they posted a video on 4th May कि how unfair the paper was, how it cannot be solved in 3 hours, and कि उन्होंने out of syllabus questions दिए हैं, and the mark distribution is not correct, and they stand with the students and this and that and all those crocodile tears. And after a few days they started posting videos about strategies to score 180 on 180 in physics, to score 360 on 360 in biology, to score 720 on 720, and who should take a drop, who should not take a drop, what the cutoff will be, and this and that. So this channel, they had an answer discussion on regarding 25 paper. उस answer discussion में you can go and check out that video right now. You can see that सिर्फ chemistry और biology का paper solve किया गया है, physics का paper has not been solved. Still I don't understand if still this teacher, their physics teacher, is going ahead and she's posting on her channel how a strategy to score 180 on 180 in physics. I don't know where did you get that confidence for? I don't want to use inappropriate words, but तुम्हें ये कॉन्फिडेंस आया कैसे? क्या तुमने बच्चों को सॉल्व करके दिखाया फिजिक्स का पेपर 1 घंटे में? क्या तुमसे सारे सवाल हो भी रहे हैं? नहीं. But she still went on and posted a video about scoring 180 on 180 in physics, a strategy to score whatever. I don't know how that's possible, because even physics teachers are not able to solve the paper in 1 hour, in 2 hours. There are teachers who can't even solve few questions. And they have launched courses, they have started launching courses, and they have just changed the pattern of their whole curriculum in not even in fewer than 2 weeks. And they are saying कि तुम अगर इतने में ये खरीद नहीं लोगे तो ऑफर चला जाएगा, इतने में ये खरीद नहीं लोगे तो फिर तुम्हें फ्री नहीं मिलेगा. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि when will students understand that they are doing this for views, they are doing it for money, they are doing it in order to stay relevant. I was about to say irrelevant, but that would be ironical, but they are only doing it to stay relevant. तुम्हें ये कब दिखाई देगा? Stop buying those courses. पहली बात तो it's very unsure what the cutoff's gonna be. how the ranks are gonna be shuffled, because जिस बच्चे को 680 and 690 आ रहा था मॉक्स में, उस बच्चे को अभी above 400 भी नहीं आ रहा. And it's not just one बच्चा, there's so many people on a mass level. You don't know what the cutoff's gonna be, you don't know what the rank's gonna be, and it's futile to even waste time predicting it. The only thing you can do is hope and gather all your backups. The only message that I want to give right now is, please understand what the real reason behind which they are posting all these videos. Just don't believe that they are emotional for you. Don't believe that they are standing up for you. Don't just look out for yourself. Stop buying these courses because they put up an offer that ends in a certain due date. They just, because it's free and whatnot. Because we all know that the paper NTA has said they did it purely out of spite. They did it purely because they were internationally humiliated the last year, and they just took it out on all of us. And we don't even know that they would keep the level same or keep the pattern same. We don't know that. How are you making students buy these courses on what? कोई credibility ही नहीं है इन सब चीज़ों की. तो I know that many people are gonna hate me for what I am going to post, but just I plead all of you to, see through ye sab, to not waste your money, to, not waste your views, not waste your time on their videos.